I just had to get these shoes. Like, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl ᴜᴇįbsɪᴛᴇ, and welcome back to my channel. I know y'all see the background change. Like, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing something that is literally has been on my to-do list for the past 2 months. And honestly, I'm super excited. Like, so today I'm doing a unboxing for the ʟSccollection. I know y'all seen their Instagram. This is poppin' shoe brand that I just had to get some shoes for it. Like, I was like, girl, like, chef's kiss. Without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight into what we got. I ordered a total of 4 pairs of shoes. However, only 3 came in. I ordered my shoes on June the 11th, I believe, for my trip where I was leaving on July the 14th. They ended up not coming on July the 14th because I did get the pre-order shoes. So when y'all do order, just make sure that you look at the description. And the pre-order ships out 21 days, or anywhere between 1 to 21 days after you order. Again, only 3 pairs out of 4 came, so I'm just gonna show y'all them, and then when I get a chance in like another vlog or another video, I'll just show y'all the other pair. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, so this is the package that they sent me first. This was the first packaging, and I believe it's 2 pairs of shoes in here, and then they sent this cute pink rose packaging for my last pair of shoes that came in. So yeah, we got to get right in. Y'all, my hair, like, I tried to make a whole video for y'all, like a hair diary or some shit. Wow. And I don't even do hair. So anyway, that's why I got this hair scarf on, because Miss Michelle act like she didn't want to act right for the video, so that's not even gonna come out. But so here are the 2 cards that came in. I kind of want to be selfish and I'll read them to y'all. Y'all gonna have to order just to see them, but I'll read them to y'all just for y'all to see. So on this side, I'm not gonna show y'all this side because it's a code on here, and if you know, you know. So yeah. But this one says, thanks, babe. You're welcome. Like, you're welcome. Like, and it says, hi, please read the back. Missing the item, please read. We hope you're enjoying your order so far. There's great news. The excitement isn't over yet. Obviously, this isn't your entire order. Rest assured, your order is shipping out separately. Orders sometimes ship separately if everything cannot fit in one package, or if your other pre-order item did not finish as quickly as the other one. We can guarantee the rest of your order will be shipped out within a few business days. The wait will be over before you know it. Any concerns, just email us. We are always here to help. Thank you. They come in like these drawstring bags. It's cute. Yeah, I just had to get these shoes. Like, I had to get these shoes. Everything is inspired, by the way, so don't come on here trying to, ooh, you got the boom. Girl, I got what the fuck I wanted. Thank you. But can we just, I ain't gonna lie, I wear a size 8, and initially These shoes look long. They look so long, but I'm gonna try them on, and I'm gonna show y'all. When I try them on. I haven't got my mirror for my rug because I wanted to do like the mirror rug combo, but I'm gonna show y'all how they be doing it. Hold on, let me show y'all how they be doing it. Y'all, these are so cute. If you know, you know, but everybody know they take their videos like this. But yeah, this is what the rigs look like, and they are fire, and it fits perfectly. So it is true to size, which is very exciting. Okay, so y'all, something super excited that I wanted to get into before we get back to the video is I got my first DHK affiliate like item, and yeah, I am so in love. This is the first thing that they sent me. Girl, if you know, you know. Who's playing with VCA Van Cleef? Are you mad? Are you mad? Braces is like $13,000. My Van Cleef. My Van Cleef, baby. My Van Cleef. I'm gonna put the link in the description box if y'all wanna go, you know, peep around or whatever. But yeah, just saying. Alright, let's get back to the video. Going right into the second pair. I was trying to match the theme. If you watch the travel vlog, go watch the travel vlog if you haven't watched the travel vlog. But if you watch the travel vlog, we had like camo shirts. So these are the camo joins that I just gave. Girl, I'm finna wear these for no reason. I'm finna wear these for no reason. And then it's not like regular lace, it's like rope. This is freaking fire. Like the quality is like, I don't think the camera is doing any justice to the quality. Side by side. Now let's see them on. Bomb. So excited for these, y'all. Y'all don't even understand, bro. It's crazy because they dropped so many pairs of shoes that I would have rather gotten before I picked these up. Like, they dropped so much. Like, I don't know, I just love them. Girl, you doing your thing. High quality shoes, high quality like packaging, just for a high quality price. I don't mean to make y'all mad or nothing, but this last pair just, girl, no way. Oh, didn't even know they came with extra charms, but yeah, and they came with extra charms. Thank you so much. And these are the Crocs. We're about to see them on, and then we'll do a price breakdown. We'll do a price breakdown, and then I guess I can show y'all the last like pair like virtually. I'll just show y'all them. These right here, a 10. No way. All right, y'all, so that's my J's collection unboxing slash haul, and yeah, I'm in love. I am in love. Let's go over the price breakdown, right? So again, from the Ricks, spent 100 on these, spent 55 on these. Worth it, I don't care. Spent 60 on these. Plus they come with extra charms, and they really decked out. Like these come regular. These don't come like pimped out like that. The black slides that I got, which I'm gonna put right here. Yeah, I spent 40 on those. So, but yeah, platform, good quality shoes. Like, it did take a little minute, I'm not gonna lie. It gave manufacturer to business and then business to consumer pre-order. So yeah, it's good, it's perfect, because you know, you don't have to hold anything in inventory unless you need to, for real. But that's it for this video. I'm super excited to drop this video. You want to shop the bracelet, shop the bracelet. The link will be in my bio, or my link tree, any bio. I'm probably about to drop a video on that either tomorrow or Friday. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. Be on the lookout, or if not, you're already here from TikTok. I'm probably gonna do a TikTok on my ⴄscollection haul with like how they do it, like how the ⴄscollection do their videos, but just to like promote this video, I'm gonna do it like that. So super excited, and I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I'm all over the place. But without further ado, this is the end of the video. You've made it. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. If you're old, like and comment, baby. And we're on the way to 500. It's a giveaway at 500, and I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, then I think you should definitely subscribe. All right, y'all, that's it. I at this point, I'm just trying to find something to talk about to stay on camera. So yeah, let me go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all.